Feels like it's starting to warm up a little bit too, though, doesn't it?
Yeah. Well, I think the high was either 43 or 44, so that we're probably close to that. Like you said a little while ago, it's probably about 2:30 now, maybe.
Yeah.
Something like that. So we're starting to get to the hottest part of the day, or warmest. Uncharted territory.
Yeah, so we got past where it was really rocky because the water level's higher than it was last time you were out here?
Apparently.
Huh.
Because but again, I was in that inflatable and I just couldn't get over that. And the water was moving faster. The first time it was much more, waves coming over the rocks.
Yeah.
And I just couldn't fight it. I mean, this time I was like, okay.
Yeah.
You were able to push through it. Now the Bears didn't make it in the playoffs, right?
Oh God, no. No, they're terrible.
I was really surprised Philly made it in.
Did Philly end up making it?
They're playing Tampa Bay either today or tomorrow.
Oh. I don't think that's too much of a game, though. I think Tampa Bay should more likely whip up on it.
Yeah.
But, I mean, Tampa Bay, they lost, two of their best wide receivers, and they still have Mike Evans, but they lost.
No, I know. Goodwin.
Brown and Godwin.
Perriman stepped up pretty good, though.
Who's that, Perriman?
Perriman?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, that one catch he had was ridiculous.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, Chris Godwin, that was a big loss.
Yeah.
Huge. He's a very good player.
I agree, yeah. So, you're a pretty big football guy then?
Oh, yeah. Yeah.
You play fantasy football?
Nah, I don't get into all that.
Okay. Have you ever?
Nah.
It's pretty fun. It is pretty fun, but yeah, I'll mostly just be watching the playoffs, hoping that Green Bay loses. That'll be my Super Bowl.
Yeah, I'm not a fan of Green Bay. I mean, it's not that I don't like them. It's just, it was so funny. Aaron Rodgers always finds a way to sneak into the playoffs.
Yeah. The guys, he's a very talented quarterback.
Yeah, he's amazing. He can turn it on when he needs to.
Yeah.
And that guy out of Buffalo now, Josh Allen, he's another one of these really strong guys. Just the flip of a wrist. He's like Mahomes. He can just flip the wrist and throw the damn ball 40 yards and accurate as he can be.
Yep. Joe Burrow over in Cincinnati. Like
he's gonna be. He and Mahomes, I think, and Josh Allen are going to be the future as far as quarterback rivalries.
And Herbert too.
Out in San Diego, he's really good.
All guys the Bears could have drafted.
What's that?
I said all guys the Bears could have drafted, except for maybe Allen. I'm not sure where he was drafted, but I know they could have gotten Herbert or Mahomes or Deshaun Watson, although who knows what will happen with him. Turtle or something.
What's that?
I think there was a turtle or something right there.
Oh yeah. No, I know that's one thing that I'm not seeing today. Usually, especially in the warmer weather, you see turtles all over the place on these logs.
Oh yeah, when it's warmer. Oh,
yeah.
They're asking me if I want to come in and work tonight or tomorrow. because of the outage, because of the winter storm, so they're probably anticipating.
Oh yeah.
A lot of people losing power, and so having a lot of field techs having to go out.
Oh yeah. Oh, I know. That was always a big deal when I worked for Duke. It was a huge...
But the thing is, and here's what sucks, is that if it was time and a half and there was overtime, I'd be like, yeah, sign me up, right?
Yeah.
But since we're off Monday,
Oh,
depending on how their work schedule, depending on how their payroll weeks go, watch out, there's lots of rocks here, Ryan. Is that it's probably not even going to be overtime. You know what I mean? It's probably just going to be straight time because
you won't have enough hours to qualify as overtime.
Yeah. So it's like, you know, she's like, do you want to work? And I want to go, well, if it's time and a half, yeah, I'll do it.
Yeah.
If it's not, I don't really want to, you know? But all right, this is looking serious here, gentlemen.
Yep.
Think we can handle it?
I don't see any big drops. I was watching a good video on River Kings the other day, and he was talking about, obviously, if you're coming the other way, to look for the V.
Yeah, yeah.
And so if we can see that on this side, we should be able to come at it from the other side.
And was he saying to go towards the middle of the V or to go around it?
The middle.
The middle, that's what I thought. It just looks like it's going to be pretty shallow.
I see a V right in almost just a little right of center.
Yeah, I see it.
I'm going to try it.